How to type more than thank you slide in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your device. After you've opened PowerPoint, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, at the top, simply click on Insert. After you've clicked on Insert, in here, click on Text Box. After you've clicked on text box, add the text box and type in thank you. Select the font and size you want as well when you write the text. Then click on insert and shapes. In shapes, click on rectangle and fill it in the whole page. After you have done that, right click on the shape and click on send to back. After you've clicked on send to back, you will find your thank you pop-up at the top. After you've done that, it will look something like this. Now to select everything, click on Ctrl plus A. After you've selected everything, click on Merge Shapes in the shape format. After that, in here, simply you'll find all these options. Click on Combine Shapes. After you've done that, it will look something like this. Now, right-click on the page and click on Format Shape. After you've clicked on Format Shape, it will look something like this. Expand Fill and click on Gradient Fill. And in Preset Gradients, you'll find different options, which is below Slide Background Fill. In here, select From Center or Bottom Spotlight. You can choose any as you want. After you've done that, simply click on Animation. Click on Add Animation. In here, you will find Grow Shrink option, which is Grow Shrink. Click on it. Your animation will be added. Then click on Animation Pane. Right-click on your animation. Click on Effect Options. After you've clicked on Effect Options, in here, simply click on Size and make Custom 120% and press on OK at the bottom. After you've made 120 in here and pressed on OK, you're good to go in Animation Pane. Now, what you can do is simply click on Start at the top and make sure it's with Previous. After you've done that, you can change duration as you want as well. Now, simply click on Insert and click on Pictures. After you've clicked on Pictures, select the picture you want to add in the background. Resize the picture as you want. Then, right-click on the picture and press on Send to Back. After that, you're good to go. As you can see in thank you letter, you can see the picture you just added. And this is how to make more than thank you slide in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.